Moving to the back of the car, next thing I notice is the speedometer cable. It goes into the tail of the transmission, and we can find it here. It's behind the bracket that mounts, there it is. It's behind the bracket that mounts the transmission to the frame. And unfortunately, it's tough to even think about reaching, but unfortunately that bracket is actually welded to the cross member, so you can't drop the bracket down temporarily to release that speedometer cable. So what I'm going to try is a pair of channel locks coming in through the back. There they are, and try to grab onto that and loosen it. It's in a very hard to get to position. Unfortunately, it's not very tight. I think maybe I might be able to, yep, there it goes. I can get my finger in there and I was turning it by hand. I think I'm going to need to put the camera down because it's too difficult to hold that up and try to turn it, but that's what I'm going to try to do, is a combination of getting the channel locks in there to loosen it, and once it's loose enough that I can turn with my finger, I'll do that. So there's the speedometer cable, it's out. There's where it came from. I suppose if I was having no success doing that, I could have taken that little nut off maybe. And that holds the bullet in there that contains the gears that go to the speedometer cable.